So here is my 2005 Clio Trophy. It's number 243 of 500 made. Those who know things about trophies, it's a Renault Sport. The paint is gleaming. This car has carbon fibre details. I wouldn't say that this car is going to be perfect for somebody who wants to go all back to original, but certainly it's got all the bits that maybe people like. Carbon fibre trim, flock dash, a yellow Lockwood dial, more carbon behind it. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but there we go. It's still a Renault Clio Trophy. Still got the original Renault Sport mats. Door shuts immaculate. Door cards in good shape. Recaro's very good, very comfortable, very supportive. So we can just get into the back. Family car. It's got 3 headrests in the back and 3 seat belts. Not your average Clio family car, I must say. But it's got the Speedline alloys. Lightweight, 13 kilos saving on each one of those compared to a Cup. Might be wrong, probably get corrected. More carbon details here. Looks great. Tyres are in good shape. Wheels, okay. You could probably restore them, but I wouldn't. Just drive it and enjoy this car. This car is to be enjoyed. It's been driven. This is a polished part. This looks aftermarket, I may be wrong. Comes with this number plate as well. Nancan tyres in pretty good shape. Not bad tread on there. Super sticky. Electric mirrors, they're all working. More carbon trim. I don't know if these are aftermarket, but they certainly work well, the pedals. Bit of dirt there. Not sure if that's coming out on the video, but it says Clio number 243 of 500. Seats are in good shape. Oil okay. This car doesn't tend to use too much oil. It does use a little. I think that's normal. it. Speakers, speakers are okay. The parcel shelf probably wants replace it at some point. It's sagging a little bit. There we have it. Clio Trophy 182 horsepower, Renault Sport. It's the real thing. And it's for sale.